Oke guys, sekarang kita akan membuat gambar lagi guys. Oke, stay tune terus. Oke, pertama kita buat polanya dulu ya guys ya. Jangan terburu-buru, santai aja guys ya.
Down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and love live sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke live cess. And New York women.
Oke, kita mulai mewarnai. Slow aja guys, jangan terburu-buru biar hasilnya lebih maksimal guys, lebih rapi.
To all local international codes, whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish, I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish, I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby.
Untuk lidahnya kita pakai warna merah guys. Santai aja, oke. Oh iya, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe-nya guys ya, supaya channel ini lebih berkembang lagi. Oke, kita buat polanya lagi guys. Kita kasih garis, setelah itu kita kasih warna lagi guys. Kita timpa pakai warna hijau. Kita buat bayangannya supaya gambarnya kelihatan hidup. Oke, stay tune terus pokoknya.
I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby.
Oke guys, kita rapikan di bagian lidahnya guys, biar lebih rapi. Kita kasih warna merah lagi di setiap pojoknya.
To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit.
Kita kasih efek di bagian matanya, kita gosok biar jadi hidup ya, terlihat hidup gambarnya guys. Kita kasih efek perlahan-lahan.
You all with mine is so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes, whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. And I'll be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly, and still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake boobies I paid.
Oke, ini tahap akhir ya guys. Kita kasih bayangannya, kita kasih efek, digosok-gosok terus sampai keluar busa guys ya. Oke, kita lanjut, dan ini hasilnya. Oke, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe ya guys, supaya channel ini lebih berkembang lagi. Terima kasih.
My girls around like 3L Dub, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but Yeah, baby.